Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The official video for the theme song for The Little Mermaid's Under the Sea was released recently. The video features Grammy-winning dancehall artist Shaggy as one of the lead singers in the Under the Sea sing-along music video. In this video shared on social media, Shaggy also expressed how he feels to be part of the Little Mermaid production.
Under the sea, under the sea.
Being a part of this production has been absolutely magical. The Little Mermaid live, I'm telling you, you've never seen anything like it.
ABC made the announcement in August about a special musical staging of The Little Mermaid live. It will see Shaggy playing the role of Sebastian the Crab in a live-action musical of the 1989 Disney film.
Under the sea, under the sea.
Dancehall artist Styla G has teamed up with The Spice and Sean Paul for the Dumpling remix. The video for the track was released yesterday and is currently the #2 trending video on YouTube. In the video, Spice was introduced with a choreographed piece along with her backup dancers, while Sean Paul added his usual international appeal and flavor to the song with his popular sound and his own spin on the track's flow. The video also features a cameo from dancehall artist Ching Ching. This is not the first time that Styla has remixed his popular tracks, as his hit song Touchdown got a major boost with features from Vybz Kartel and mega rap superstar Nicki Minaj. It has gained over 12 million views on YouTube. In March, the UK-based artist shared the stage with Nicki as she made her London appearance as part of her Nicki World Tour. Now, reggae artist Jesse Royal is gearing up for his upcoming European tour, which will feature Naomi Cowan. The tour kicks off on November 8 and will see him making stops in a number of cities including Switzerland, Sweden and Belgium. The circuit will end on November 16. This is the first time that Naomi and Jesse are teaming up on tour. Jesse is known for his hit tracks such as Modern Day Judas and Lion Order, which features Protege, while Naomi Cowan is popularly known for the hit track Paradise Plum. Love that song.
Like we knew we never had to say your word, not to show silence you.
Now, reggae artist Artis Fire has released his 18th studio album dubbed Longest Liver. The album consists of 13 singles and features collaborations with Beenie Man and Johnny Live. Longest Liver is produced by Locker City Music and is distributed by Zojak worldwide and features songs like Don't Put Your Trust, No Heal Them, Please and Streetside Ghetto, among others. Artis Fire scored big with the hit single Fake Friends, which has picked up close to 1 million views on YouTube. During the summer, the Bossman singer performed on a number of shows and festivals, including the Reggae Jam Festival and the Sunrise Reggae and Ska Festival in Germany and the Summer Vibration Reggae Festival. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.